Hello, this is lesson 2 of From Word to Phrase. Today we build English step by step. Just listen, then repeat after me. No need to memorize, stay calm and follow. Today our key word is want. Now listen. Want. I want. I want it. I want it now. I really want it now. Now, repeat after me. Want. Want. I want. I want. I want it. I want it. I want it now. I want it now. I really want it now. I really want it now. Good. Now, just listen. I don't want. I don't want it. I don't want it now. I don't really want it. Now, repeat after me. I don't want. I don't want. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it now. I don't want it now. I don't really want it. I don't really want it. Very good. Now, listen and repeat. I don't want it now, but I want it later. I don't want it now, but I want it later. I don't want it today, but I want it tomorrow. I don't want it today, but I want it tomorrow. I want it now, so I go now. I want it now, so I go now. Excellent. Finally, just listen. I want you. I want you. I want you now. I want you now. I want help. I want help. I really want help. I really want help. Very good. Okay, you did very well today. Small steps, every day. You understand more each time. I will see you in the next lesson. If you enjoyed this lesson, you can like, share and subscribe.